Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Extin channel. Now we're going to the Xyliatos waterfall. And here is our location. Nicosia to Xyliatos Dam is 34 to 38 minutes drive away from Nicosia to the Xyliatos Dam. Here is the direction. Here's our route going there. We're here at Xyliatos Dam picnic site. And now here we go to the waterfalls. This place is the Xyliatos Dam. It is the embankment of the water from the highest mountains and also from rainfalls. When it rains continuously, or when it reaches the maximum capacity storage level of this dam, it will overflow and it produces the waterfalls down, as we can see there. But for now, because it rains for how many days, how many weeks, maybe 2 weeks, so we can see the wooden debris or the dirt or the waste coming from the mountains, and it is also impounded here. When the dam is full or reaches its maximum capacity storage level, it overflows. When it overflows, it flows down there and it produces very beautiful waterfalls, as we can see down there opposite the picnic site. Xyliatos Dam and waterfalls is very diverse, as we can see all the environment that surrounds it. It's very cool, it's green, and it's very peaceful. But just be careful when you walk through the pathways, because it's very steep and it's very rocky. You may be having the automatic slide. Here is the picnic site, and the opposite, or looking towards that side, there's the waterfall. But in the picnic site, you can see many group of people, but just like mostly their families coming to have their quality time here. It's very nice here. It's very peaceful. You can feel the tranquility of the place. Here we are now at the picnic site, and as we can see, there's the waterfalls. It's very beautiful. Oh my God. So we go there, and that's where the water flows. Dam and Waterfalls. This is the waterfalls. This is the Cyprus waterfalls. It's very nice. The waterfalls is not only for viewing, it's not only for beautification, it's not only for tourist purposes, but the most important for this dam and waterfalls is for the agricultural purposes of the people living that surrounds this dam. When you sit here silently, you can feel the magic moment. Just like you can feel that you have a peace of mind, just like it heals. This sound of waterfalls is very nice. It's very pleasing to the ears. It's just like refreshing your mind. It's very cold today, that's why I didn't sit much longer. I just had a photo, had a selfie, and hear the rushing of the waterfalls. But it's so nice. It's a nice feeling. So here's the Xyliatos Dam and Waterfalls. Thank you for watching, guys, and please give me some insights on this video, and please give me some suggestions on how to make my videos good, because I'm so shy and I don't have the courage to speak on my own camera. Thank you, guys. Thanks again.